I'm excited about this product. I always look forward to, I'm a huge Logitech wheel mouse or thumb ball or wheel mouse user. Huge. Love these things. If you've seen any of my other videos, I love these things. But sometimes the balls that it comes with, it gets boring. And one of the problems they have is there's one area that I have actually 3 computers with 3 of these mice, and I would confuse them, or the kids would confuse them, and I would have to figure out which mouse belonged to which computer. So to clarify that, I actually bought extra balls. I've done a video on the other ones I purchased. I think I purchased red balls and green balls and gray ones. I think the other mouse, the other Logitech mouse, the Logitech MX ERGO or ERGO Plus wireless trackball mouse, that comes with a gray ball. So I've even taken that one out and put a blue ball in it, and switched it around. I like to switch them around. So I saw on Amazon that they were selling them, and they had even more colors than just the standard gray, red, and green. I have green, red, a maroon, a gray one, and these blue ones that come with the standard M570 mice. I just ordered the M575, which is to me the upgrade of this, which I'm going to be doing a video on. And I think the blue is a lighter sky blue of what I see in the pictures. I don't know, I won't know until I see it. So hopefully that'll be here soon, sometime this week, and I'll do a video on that. But I always like to change up the balls. It just makes it look nice. I don't know, it makes me feel good. So I'm a trackball or thumb mouse person. And I like this. I don't like the other one with the centipede type of mouse. I don't like standard mice. I can use standard mice or a standard mouse, but I don't like it. This is where I'm comfortable. This is what I love to use. So I like to switch out these balls. So these are for 2 computers that I have. And that's the M570 mouse, and I know that the ERGO, I swapped them out, so they all work. So I think all of these will fit even on the M575. I'm almost certain. So they were selling these. Now my biggest problem with getting new balls is that yes, they have a bunch of them, but they're about the cheapest, maybe $10 each, which is sometimes half the price of this. I purchased these Logitech mice used for $15, $20, and used is usually maybe somebody returned it, but everything's still in one piece. I have many of these. I probably have 10 or 20 of them total. I keep them as backups because if any of them go bad, which to this day, some of these are over 10 years old and no issues whatsoever. If one of them go bad, I still have a backup. I need this. I need to use this. So the biggest problem is when you buy the ball ends up becoming the balls, the cheapest you can find them is about $10 each, which is sometimes half the price of this thing. I'm hoping that now with the M575 coming out, that these get even cheaper, and I can purchase them between $15 and $20 as a normal price, and even cheaper as a refurb or reused or I don't know, returned item, and I'll purchase them also. I like to have more mice than I need, or mouse or mices or whatever you say, because I like backups. So I always believe it's better to have it's better to have more than what you need than need any more, or something like that. So let's open it up and look at them. So these are unique colors. I actually purchased another box. Like I said, these are $10. They're half the price. It gets a little pricey. I was able to buy 4 for $32 or $34. It brings it down under $10. Matter of fact, it's probably under $9. And that way, it's it's not too much of an expense. They're what you would call aesthetics, something that looks nice. I've never seen these colors. These are real, except for this one. This one I've purchased in the past. These are really nice colors. I really like them. Really nice. I'm not sure which one. I think I'm going to choose the purple one. The purple one reminds me of a friend of mine that was a huge loved purple. Wore purple all the time. So close up look at the ball. It's nice. Really nice looking. I hope the camera is doing justice on the look. I'm gonna pick the purple one. Now this is my skin. I did a video on this. It didn't come out too well. I'm looking forward so much to receiving the M575 that I tried to make this one look like it. This one will be replaced with the M575. But let me, this is the standard board that comes with it. And I hope that the video is doing justice to the look. It looks really nice. Put on my gloves to see if I can have the balls pop more. I like it. I like it a lot. So that's the purple one. I'm gonna put it in here. And it fits just fine. Let me try it out real quick and come right back and let you know how it works. And these are the other ones. So I'm gonna switch this one out. Leave it in there. And these are the other three. And I'm going to pick, I'm gonna call this either light purple or light pink. I'm not, you tell me. The actual colors, let me see if it shows the actual, what are they actually called? Let me see if it mentions it in the box. But before I do that, I'm going to pick this one. I really want it to stick out. It looks nice. And I hope, again, this is a close-up look. And this looks nice, I like it. Same smoothness. Let me try that out. Let me see if it has the colors on it. So the colors on this are, nope, don't see nothing. It probably says it, let me look at it. According to the website, this one's obviously purple. This one's red. This one is lavender. And this one is pink. That was easy. So I think it looks nice. Let me try it on my computers. I tried them on my computer. They're both on, I have two gaming computers that these are on. And it works just fine. No issues whatsoever. I really like the look. It just looks different. One of the things I'm looking for on the M575 is the different color. So now, you see, I try to make this a different color, but the skin really doesn't work. It's got a bunch of wrinkles. I'll live with it. It's not a big deal. What I would like Logitech to come out with, which would be great, they already came out with the M575, and I think the M575, if I see it correctly, hold on. So the M575 comes in white and comes in graphite. I really would love it. I know graphite, it's dark. I think the ERGO one that I purchased, the ERGO Plus, is sort of a darker gray than this is. I really don't know. It's also graphite. I need it black. I want it either black or white. So they have white already with the M575. I would love a jet black, this kind of black color. And the reason for that is when you put these balls in there, it'll pop. So it'll pop if it's white, it'll pop if it's black. I don't want a gray neutral color. I want black and I want white. And I would love those colors so that these different balls cause it to pop. So that's a look at. It works just fine, just like the regular one. There's no difference whatsoever. I've purchased these in the past. I've never had an issue. They all work just fine. They stay smooth. There's no issues with them whatsoever. And I just like the different colors. It makes me feel good. So I hope this video helps. I hope it's helpful to you. Thank you. Bye.
Perixx Peripro 303X 4A Trackball. 1.34-inch replacement ball 4. PERIMICE in M570-4 in 1 multicolor red, purple, pink and lavender trackball. Elegant storage box. Cost $34.99. Purchased at Amazon's website. 4-pack trackball set, high quality multi-pack trackball set in red, purple, pink, and lavender for your trackball mouse. Switch up to different color trackball to accent your desk setup, the perfect gift for trackball enthusiasts. Replacement trackball designed for any trackball mice using 1.34, 34mm trackball size, such as from Perixx, PERIMICE 517/717/520/720, Logitech ERGO M570, cordless, Kensington. Trackman wheel, not include Trackman marble, Elecom. MXT3DRBK, EX6, MDT2URBK, EXG/Deft Sanwa, MAWTB43BK. Smooth surface. The surface is treated with a special coating to provide a precise and smooth tracking performance. How to remove the trackball. The trackball from PERIMICE 517/717 can be easily removed from the bottom hole of the mouse, using the tip of your finger. From the manufacturer. Replacement trackball for Logitech PERIMICE 303 Limited Edition Trackball Set PERIMICE 303X4A4 Color. Trackball enthusiast? Discover now our limited edition trackball set that will give your desktop a pop of color. PERIMICE 303X4A is a set of 4 Perixx top-selling trackball colors: burgundy red, pastel pink, pastel purple, and vibrant purple. High-quality trackball. Perixx PERIMICE 303 trackballs is made of high-quality material designed and compatible with major trackball mouse brands in the market. Compatibility devices: Perixx, PERIMICE 517, PERIMICE 717, PERIMICE 520, PERIMICE 720, Logitech ERGO M570, Elecom MXT3DRBK, EX6, MDT2URBK, EXG/Deft, Sanwa, MAWTB43BK. Specifications: Trackball diameter 1.34, 34 mm. Surface, glossy. Weight, 0.06 pounds, each trackball. Color, 1x red, 1x purple, 1x pink, 1x lavender. Lavender trackball. Purple trackball. Maroon trackball. Pink trackball. Instructions. Trackball. Perixx. Product description. Color, multicolor A. Perixx PERIMICE 303X4A limited edition trackball set, for colors, replacement trackball for your trackball mouse with a 1.34-inch diameter. The set comes with 4 of Perixx best-selling colors. Made of high-quality material designed for major mouse brands in the market. Specification: diameter, 1.34-inch, 34 mm, weight, 0.22 pounds, 0.1 kilograms. Inside the box, 1x red, 1x purple, 1x pink, 1x lavender. Product information. Color, multicolor A. Technical details. Collapse all. Other technical details. Brand Perixx. Item model number 18043. Item weight 3.5 ounces. Package dimensions 7.01 x 2.36 x 1.54 inches. Color multicolor A. Manufacturer Perixx Computer GmbH. ASIN B086VM7N26.